Hey baby, should I let you walk away? But you leave without a trace. Fuck you. Pretend you're taking everything from you. Ooh, ooh. You're the only one who leave without. Please just walk away from me. And I just want you to leave. Take a real life with you, just like you. You're the only one who leave without. So take a look at me now. I'm just an empty space. There's nothing left here to remind me. Just a memory of your face. Well, take a look at me now. Well, it's just an empty space. You coming back to me is against the odds, but that's what I've got to take. You walk around, you turn around and see me cry. So much I really see to you. So many reasons why you're the only one who can leave me without. So take a look at me now. Hey baby, you know what? I'm just an empty space. There's nothing left here to remind me. Just a memory of your face. Well, take a look at me now. Well, you know what, everyone? I'm just an empty space. But what you feel for you is all I can do. So fuck, I'm gonna stay. Look at me now. Yeah, I'm just an empty space. If you're coming back to me, it's against the odds, but that's one I've got to take. The Holy Father put me in this position to do this. It's like a love story. Oh yes, love, love, love story. Well, you know what? You know what? Well, take a look at me now. And now I am here. And have a great day. And the MTM Mountain Shot Music Show, you know, it's from God right to his heart. From my standpoint, and I hope it's from your standpoint too. And have a wonderful evening. And here we go again.